So why is Google Flights the best website to use to find the cheapest airfare? I'm gonna let you know today, so stay tuned. Welcome back, everybody. I'm Linda Jones from Crafted Travel Company, and today I want to tell you why you should use Google Flights to search for your airfare
forever and ever.
Okay, well, maybe not forever and ever, but right now it is the absolute best website to go to find the cheapest airfare. And you want to know why? Let's go ahead and dive in. Okay, the first reason that Google Flights is the best is it allows you to check multiple airports and both where you're leaving from and where you're going into. That is the way, if you're staying flexible on your airports, where you can find the cheapest combination so that you can get the absolute best price on your airfare. So you can search up to 5 leaving airports, origin airports, as well as up to 5 destination airports. The other cool thing that you can do is, say you don't know what your options are for both leaving and where you're going into. Once you've searched for your ticket, there's actually a little toggle, a little button that you can click that will show you exactly what airports are available, what those prices are, so that you can always go through and check them all and make sure you are finding the absolute best combination from your leaving and your coming to get the cheapest price. The second reason that Google Flights is the best for finding the cheapest airfare is it allows you to check one-way flights as well. So if you click the More button and make sure it's checking multiple tickets, it will check both round-trip airfare as well as 2 one-way tickets, which one is cheaper. Because sometimes 2 one-way tickets does save you money, and it will always, as long as you have that check mark clicked, it will always compare the two so that you know that you're always getting the cheapest option and combination of flights available. The third reason that I like Google Flights for booking the cheapest flights is the very robust calendar that shows you the cheapest prices. You can quickly search through month by month and find out which is the cheapest month, which day in that month is the cheapest, and the combination of days, whether you're leaving and coming. They have so many tools available so that you can put together the combination of dates that will give you the absolute cheapest airfare for where you're wanting to go. Speaking of pricing and speaking of getting the cheapest prices, they also have a price tracker. If you toggle this button here, you can actually follow the price for the flight that you're looking for and know when prices go up, go down, so that you can jump on it when the prices are at their lowest and always get the cheapest. So Google Flights isn't just about the price, it's also about the inspiration. They have a very cool Explore Destination tab that allows you to go in and look over 6 months time span, as well as your length of time that you want to stay, if you want to stay just for the weekend or for a week or for 2 weeks. And then you can also pick a combination of airports, both going into and going out of, and explore entire destinations as well as exploring the entire world. Their Explore Destination tab is far beyond any that I've seen from Skyscanner, from Amundo, from any of those other websites, because of the combinations that it allows you to check. It actually can give you some incredible inspiration and help you get to where you're wanting to go for the absolute cheapest price. It's definitely worth taking a look at. So those are the 5 reasons why Google Flights is the absolute best and where you should go to book your next ticket. If you want to learn more about Google Flights, how to use it, and my secret hacks for getting those best airfares, go ahead and click this video here. I've also added it to the top of the description below. And if you found this helpful, please think about hitting that subscribe button. I want to thank you so much for stopping by, and I want to wish you a fantastic day and happy travels. Bye-bye.